Good morning. Here's a little update on the 2nd of March 2022 of the Bremer River, Currahlee, Ipswich. The river has gone down around 2 metres overnight. And as you can see by the flow, there is no flow. I'd say the backup from the Wivenhoe down to Brisbane, which is about 5 minutes down the road from here, from the Bremer to the Brisbane, would be backing all of this up. There's a big mess in our yard still, but I'm not going to be doing anything today but celebrating my birthday. There's that tree that we've been trying to gauge it on. I'd say it's been going down probably at a rate of 100 mil an hour, maybe less. There's still a big expanse of water though. I'd say Bundamba in Ipswich is still under. We do feel for all the people that are still under the flood. There's definitely no flow at all in the Bremer. It's all backed up, but they've got to let the water out in case we get a deluge in the next couple of days. Anyway, that's just a short update of the Bremer River. Until next time, see you later.